And we started the ride from Jawhar to Mumbai. 130-kilometer ride through the beautiful rural villages. Through the beautiful ghats and a national highway. The journey began from the Jawhar village. There is a 35-kilometer ghat section. There were deep curves, villagers, cows, and the life kept moving. Potholes on the road was for 1 kilometer. It made us really think whether there were potholes on the road or was the road in the potholes. Beautiful scenery all around. Then we decided to lose our way. We lost our way and we had to travel for another 60 kilometers to get back to the main national highway. The rains came to welcome us.